In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a marionette AI video with Seedance 2.5. So to do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI. The link is going to be in the comment section, and actually, this is a platform where you can try this type of AI models like Seedance 2.5, Clink 3.0, Bio 3.1, etc. for just $1 for 3 days. So you can try these models paying only $1. So well, after you create the account, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, we need to choose the model Seedance 2.5. Now in the duration, we can choose up to 30 seconds, but for this video, we're going to do an 8 seconds long video. Now here you can upload images, audios, and videos of reference. Actually, I always recommend to upload images of reference because creating images is very cheap. That way, you can be sure more or less of how the video will be. So well, now here, I'm going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section, and this is a prompt that we can divide by 2 sections. This section, where I describe what will happen in the scene, and this other section, that is the section where I describe the style of the video. So well, now we have to click this button. I forgot to say that if you want to create another video but with this style, you can just copy this section, erase this, and here write about your video. But in this case, let's put this back. Now let's press this button, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it. And there we have it. I really like it, the style of the video, it looks really cool. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that the prompt will be in the comment section, and remember that you can try this platform for just $1 for 3 days. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.